Hey guys, we have another video here for you today, and what we're going to be talking about, or more showing you, is how to look at an order. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that. As you can see, we're already signed in here. We're in the dashboard. So from here, we're going to go Order and Shippings, and Order Manager. Alright, from here, this is the listing, and this is just our demo site, and this is basically a layout of all the orders that we have. And I kind of give you just a little tour here. Obviously, you get your order number, who sold to, the company, all that good stuff. These little icons here are going to be just a quick indication, give you a quick rundown of what's going on with that particular order. So you'll see the payment, if it's kind of like a little bit of a gradient here. If you hover over it, it'll say partially paid. If it's fully green, that means obviously it's paid. Red one, not so much paid. And then the gray one is obviously unpaid. Same thing with the shipping. If it's grayed out, that means it's not shipped. It's that with a little checkbox. Obviously it means it's shipped. And then you have the other ones with partially shipped orders. Maybe they had 2 or 3 boxes. Not all of them have gone out yet. And then the status. This is important to a lot of people. Is some of them orders that come in, they need approval. So this one will tell you, indicate once it has been approved. Stuff like completed. It's ready for billing. There's quite a few icons in here to kind of give you a little bit of a rundown of what's going on with that order. Another thing I want to show you, which is a good little time saver, especially if you know what you're looking for, is using the filter. And for this example, I actually have an order that we are going to be looking at, and it's order 193. Go ahead and hit filter, and this is the particular order that we want to look at. So let's go check out John's order here. And as you can see here, we can go back, we can edit, we can print this if we like. And this is basically just going to give us all the information we need to know about this order here from John. So it's going to tell us it's sold to, shipped to. You can click on this and actually view the map. See if that comes up quickly. Yep, it'll tell us exactly where it's going to. And then down here, obviously this is the details. And you'll move down here. I want to show you this because when we change the tabs, this down here is going to change. But it gives a little bit of a history. You can add a note to this order if you need to. The payment information, obviously, lets you know how we paid it. So if you click the payment details, it'll drop down and show you that this one was paid. Again, this is a demo, so kind of just play along here. This was paid with a PO as well as a check. I know it's for $0, but again, just play along. And then you can also add a payment. So say if it was a partially paid order, again, in the instance that he paid for a PO for 1 or 2 things, and he had to pay the rest of it with either a check or a credit card, you'd come here and click New Payment and do it that way. So let's go back up here and change this tab, and we'll look at the shipping. If I hit the shipping tab here, it'll tell us what went out. And in what box or how many boxes. And if we scroll down a little bit, we'll get the shipping packages, and as you can see, we have 3 boxes here with the tracking codes on them. So again, another thing you can do is you can actually hit the track package, and it'll take you to the UPS site. Now again, this is just a dummy tracking number, so obviously that's why we're getting this error right here, but it's kind of just to kind of show you the information that you can find out from the order page here. So that is pretty much it.